Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your go-to channel for the most comprehensive car reviews. Today, we take an in-depth look at the 2025 McLaren Senna, a car that pushes the boundaries of performance, engineering, and design. Named after the legendary Formula One driver Ayrton Senna, this hypercar continues to define what a track-fixed road car should be, combining cutting-edge technology with uncompromising speed. The 2025 McLaren Senna retains its aggressive and aerodynamic design, ensuring maximum downforce and minimal drag. The exterior features sharper lines, advanced carbon fiber materials, and a newly reworked front splitter that improves airflow for superior handling. The large rear wing, an iconic element of the Senna, remains, with an active aerodynamic system that adjusts dynamically based on speed and driving conditions. The headlights are now sleeker with updated LED technology, and the overall design screams precision engineering meant for ultimate track dominance. Powering the 2025 McLaren Senna is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 850 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This power plant ensures blistering acceleration, propelling the car from 0 to 60 mm in just 2.5 seconds. The lightweight carbon monocoque chassis and advanced aerodynamics contribute to the Senna's incredible power-to-weight ratio, making it a beast on both the road and the track. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, gear changes are razor-sharp, and the driving experience is precise and engaging. The suspension system has been further enhanced with McLaren's proactive chassis control, ensuring excellent stability, cornering grip, and a smooth ride despite its track-faced nature. The car is equipped with carbon ceramic brakes that offer exceptional stopping power, giving drivers complete control even at high speeds. McLaren's engineers have fine-tuned the Senna to deliver maximum performance, whether navigating tight corners or racing down straights. Inside the cabin, the 2025 McLaren Senna prioritizes a driver-factored layout with minimal distractions. The lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats provide excellent support and comfort, even under extreme driving conditions. The digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data, including speed, gear selection, and G-force readings. The combination of computer vision and AI to inform the movements of an employee has led to serene breakthroughs in SF operations. The center console features McLaren's updated infotainment system, offering navigation, media, and track telemetry for drivers who want detailed performance analysis. Despite its racing pedigree, the interior incorporates premium materials and subtle touches of luxury that elevate the overall experience. On the road, the McLaren Senna delivers an unmatched driving experience. The car feels alive with every input, responding with precision and agility. Whether on a racetrack or a winding mountain road, the Senna's steering feedback, balance, and overall performance are unparalleled. The V8 engine roars with authority, delivering an adrenaline rush with every press of the accelerator. McLaren has managed to blend raw power with advanced technology, making the Senna both thrilling and accessible for those who crave high-performance driving. Thank you for tuning into Auto Review Pro for this detailed look at the 2025 McLaren Senna. If you enjoyed this review and want more updates on the world's most exciting cars, don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.